How to create a playlist on YouTube Music. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Music on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can search the song you want to add to your playlist or simply click on a music you want to create a playlist from. Then, click on the three dots at the top right. Here, you'll find Save to Playlist. Click on Save to Playlist. You'll find all your playlists. You can click on New Playlist to create a new one. Give it a title, description, and if you want to make it public or private, after you've done that, press on Create. And now your new playlist has been created. This is how to create a playlist on YouTube Music. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. For a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.